right here I have a tractor that I built and designed. It's super lightweight. I have this recycled blue tarp on top to keep out the sun and the rain. And I also have some 1/2-inch galvanized wire on this chicken tractor also. Now in here I have my month-old Aracuna chickens. Got about another 4 months before they start laying eggs. So they're the perfect time to have them working for me in my garden. Now I'm gonna take this. Now this is lightweight enough for me to move it myself. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna move it to the fallow bed that we just took the trellis off of. Woo! Yeah! Nicely done. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna move their food and water. I'm gonna see how many of them actually just go back in on their own. Otherwise I'm gonna have to chase some chickens.